Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix your LinkedIn profile so it's visible to others. If people can't find or see your profile, you might be missing out on valuable connections and opportunities. Let's walk through the settings that control your visibility and make sure everything is configured properly. First, open your browser and head to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile section and go ahead and click on your profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view how your information is displayed. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the pencil icon that's located beside the option labeled Public Profile and URL. Click on that pencil icon. This action will open a new tab in your browser, which is where you'll manage your public profile settings. On the right side of this new page, you need to locate the toggle button beside your profile's public visibility. Make absolutely sure this toggle is turned on. If it's off, your profile won't be visible to people outside your network, which defeats the purpose of having a LinkedIn presence. Next, click on your profile icon at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the detailed controls for how your profile interacts with others on the platform. Once you're in the settings area, look to the left side of the screen and click on Visibility. This section contains all the options that determine who can see your profile and how you appear when browsing LinkedIn. In the Visibility section, find and click on Visibility when viewing other profiles. Here, you'll see a few radio button options. Click the radio button next to your name and headline. This ensures that when you view other people's profiles, they'll see who you are, which helps with networking and makes your profile more discoverable. Now go back to the visibility menu and this time click on Email Visibility. Again, you'll see several options presented as radio buttons. Click the one that says Anyone on LinkedIn. This allows other members to find and connect with you more easily through email searches. Head back once more to the visibility menu and now click on Discoverability by phone number. From the options available, click the radio button next to Everyone. This setting allows people who have your phone number saved to find your profile, which can be helpful for reconnecting with old colleagues or contacts. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile should now be fully visible to others, making it easier for people to find you, connect with you, and see your professional information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.